Tuesday, the 1st of July 2025. AI fruit cutting videos are all over YouTube. I'll jump into AI too after the exam. My score on past questions still won't go up. Frustrating. Wednesday, July 2nd, 2025. Glad the AC's been working fine lately. Got first place on Duolingo after a long time. Looks like I'm going to Japan by myself this time. Thursday, the 3rd of July 2025. Made a good profit selling my Nike stock. Ended up using the mileage promo on an Osaka ticket. Chose late September to avoid Chuseok, hope it won't be too hot. Friday, the 4th of July 2025. I ordered an analog watch for the test. I need to start getting up earlier too. I'm also looking up info about the Osaka expo. Saturday, the 5th of July 2025. Sharpened my pencils and got an eraser ready for the test tomorrow. Also watched some final JLPT lectures on YouTube. I'm picking out some pavilions to visit at the expo. Sunday, the 6th of July 2025. Finally on the test day, I had cup ramen for breakfast while rushing. The test felt tougher than I thought, and I ran out of time. Based on the self-scoring, it seems like it's on the edge. Monday, the 7th of July, 2025. I got jajangmyeon delivered yesterday and pork cutlet today as a reward after my test. They say you can bring your own food into the Osaka expo, so I might save some money. I'm just worried because I heard it'll still be super hot there in late September. Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. Saw someone in need on YouTube and sent them some help. Tried putting spaghetti noodles in the leftover dumpling soup from yesterday and it was good. I should start editing my parents' travel videos soon. Wednesday, July 9th, 2025. I'm picking a place to stay in Osaka. I used to stay in capsule hotels when I traveled alone, but this time I'm also looking at cheap regular ones. The main thing is making sure it's easy to get to the expo. Thursday, July 10th, 2025. Google's auto translation sucks. I found some interesting YouTube videos about Japan's polite and casual speech culture. In Korea, speaking casually to someone you don't know is always rude, but in Japan it doesn't seem to be. Friday, July 11th, 2025. Mom said she felt a bit hurt that I didn't call her yesterday. I'm the one who should feel hurt hearing that, since I call her almost every day and just miss one. For some reason, I memorized the Yodobashi camera jingle. Saturday, the 12th of July 2025. I often point out awkward phrasing in ChatGPT's translations. They usually agree mine sounds better and say sorry. Getting corrected by a beginner like me, AI clearly isn't there yet. Sunday, July 13th, 2025. I'm planning to edit some of my parents' travel videos before the family gathering this weekend. I came up with a good idea to share them easily with my parents. It's to create a new YouTube channel just for this and upload them privately. Monday, July 14th, 2025. The weather was cooler today, so I managed without AC until 2 p.m. I edited a campaign video for the daughter of my friend's co-worker who ran for student vice president. I got a hamburger steak and pork cutlet combo from my friend in return. Tuesday, July 15th, 2025. Finally watched K-pop Demon Hunters. Felt the story was simple but the songs were great. The brilliant thing is they made it fun for adults and easy for kids at the same time. Maybe the reason it gets so many views is kids keep watching it again and again. Wednesday, July 16th, 2025. Getting ready to start a channel about my trip to Japan. The AI music tool isn't working the way I want. Wish I could just write the song myself and have the arrangement and vocals added automatically. Thursday, July 17th, 2025. Choosing a cake for my dad's birthday. Curly had a free membership promo, so I joined again. I heard some bakeries don't wash the fruit, so I skipped the fruit cake. Friday, July 18th, 2025. My friend's co-worker's daughter, who I edited a school campaign video for, finally got elected. They said the video helped, so I felt nice. The birthday cake I wanted for my dad was sold out, so I've got no choice but to get a different one. Saturday, July 19th, 2025. The cake I wanted came back in stock, so I ordered it right away. My parents loved it as always, but the kids didn't. My niece can actually draw pretty well on the iPad. Sunday, July 20th, 2025. I keep editing my parents' travel video. My dad loves seeing himself in the video. I tried to use my burger coupon but missed the closing time. Monday, July 21st, 2025. Delayed the air conditioner service again. Tried to find a t-shirt I saw in a short but couldn't. For some reason, an ex-coworker texted me after years asking to meet. Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025. Found out suica can be used separately on the phone and the watch. Next time, my mom and I can use it for the train too. I heard there's an art museum in Korea too. Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. When the plane lands, I think stepping into the aisle and moving ahead of your row is cutting in line. It's funny how some Koreans feel proud of being quick like that. I keep rebooking the Osaka hotel since the price keeps dropping. Thursday, July 24th, 2025. Finally got 50 subscribers on this channel. Watching how hot Osaka gets in late September. If it goes over 30 degrees, I might just cancel the trip. Friday, July 25th, 2025. Got a call from the AC repair guy this morning and pushed it back another week. I totally forgot I'd even booked it. I'll keep rescheduling until I finish cleaning. Saturday, July 26th, 2025. The t-shirt I ordered fits a bit differently than I thought. I'm earning a little money bit by bit from coins. I'm not sure where to use the government coupon. Sunday, July 27th, 2025. I bought an expo ticket 2 months prior to my trip for the lottery. The ticket isn't refundable, so I'll lose the money if I cancel the trip. Someone recommended a show called A Nori Love Wagon as an alternative to Terrace House. Monday, July 28th, 2025. I was sweating like crazy after 10 minutes of dishes. Since they say the West Gate is faster, I switched my expo ticket to the West one. Picked 5 pavilions for the expo lottery. Tuesday, July 29th, 2025. I want to push back my dental appointment since it's boiling outside. Still, I can't bother them again since I've already changed it a lot. Another friend just came back from a family trip to Miyakojima. July 30th, 2025. Mom keeps looking for Mont Blanc cake in Korea. It's crazy how few there are. My friend recommended Miyakojima as a place to practice driving in Japan. Thursday, July 31st, 2025. I canceled my plan with my former coworker, saying I wasn't feeling well. How happy I am just because the air conditioner finally works. I couldn't do anything for the headache.